Today we're going to teach on how to enter a trade on MT5. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do here is to simply look for the market that you want to trade on. And from there, you can either choose this new order and put in all the necessary information that you want, which is your stop loss, your take profit, and your overall capital for you to trade. And you have the choices to either buy long or sell short. Or you can simply right click on the screen and either you can go buy limit or you can go sell limit depending on the trade that you want to do. Either buy limit or sell stop. Or you can also use new order, which we just mentioned earlier. So just please note to before we trade is to input the right information, which is our stop loss most importantly, and take profit. And if you are advanced, make sure that the pip or the volume is also inside or is also implemented. And that's how you simply enter a trade on MT5. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.